My name's Ben, and today we've got a very special BMW M4 to show you around. This car is a 2021 on a 71 registration, and there's a number of things that make it a special example. The first of which is that this car has all three of the packs that you can have on one of these cars. So that's the Technology Plus pack, the Comfort package, and the Visibility package. So in terms of sort of specification, without an Ultimate package, it's as good as they come. It's pretty much everything you'd ever want, but still maintaining the comfort seats, which is a necessity for a lot of people out there. And the other really big bonus of this car is the whole car is covered in paint protection film, including the windscreen as well, and the headlights. So it's been very, very well looked after. And condition-wise, there's just nothing to say about it. It's 16,600 miles from new, with a full BMW main dealer service history, including the important running-in service carried out on time, and it has recently had a major service in 2025, so exactly as you would want it to be. Finished in Skyscraper Grey Metallic with black merino leather interior. It's a really, really nice combination, but we'll start at the front, walk around the car and point out some of the features for you. So starting with the first package the car's got. Underneath the bottom of the front grille here on the right hand side, you'll see the radar for the adaptive cruise control. That is part of the Technology Plus package that the car has. And just underneath the badge here, you'll see the forward facing camera for the 360 camera system on the car. Coming across to the headlights, you'll notice the blue sections across the centres. That is the giveaway that these are BMW's laser lights. And again, that is part of the Visibility package that the car comes with. And you've still got those sort of famous Angel Eye LED daytime running lights down the corners. Coming to the wheel, we've got 19-inch at the front, diamond cut on the faces with black inserts, and I really like the fact that these have got the silver diamond cut faces. It's a really nice contrast against the rest of the car. And then we've got the M brake calipers painted in red with the M logo on them down there as well. Again, beautiful contrast against Skyscraper Grey. Coming down the sides, even things like the lower side skirts here, door mirrors, all covered in paint protection film, even down to the window surrounds, these gloss black window surrounds, even those are individually protected with paint protection film. We've got keyless entry and exit, blind spot monitoring on the door mirrors, so there's a small triangle in the top left-hand side which will illuminate orange if there's somebody in your blind spot. And then if you have a look at the interior, we've got the extended Schwartz black merino leather interior. You might have noticed as well there's ambient lighting which is very configurable throughout the interior of the car, and we've got the M4 badges in the seats which illuminate, which is a really nice feature at night time. And we'll talk more about the inside as we get around the driver's side. Obviously the carbon fibre roof, which is now famous on the M cars, a really nice touch to have that exposed carbon roof. Privacy glass on the rear three quarters. And then coming around the back, we've got the spoiler lip on the top of the boot, again protected in paint protection film. And then coming down to the rear diffuser, we've got quad exhaust pipes, so two on either side, finished in black, and then the rear parking sensors. And there's also a reverse camera, which is now very neatly sort of embedded in that rear badge there. So very clever. A power tailgate, so if I just press the button, it will lift itself up. And then a very reasonable boot, which goes a long way back. And there is levers at the top here for folding down the middle row seats if you need a bit of extra space. And then just a button up here to shut that boot down. And now we'll jump inside and talk through some of the features on the inside of the car. So starting with the driver's door card, we've got the soft merino leather on all of the areas where you would touch. So on the grab handle, on your armrest, and then again, that beautiful ambient lighting in the door card there as well. Harman Kardon surround sound system on the tweeter at the top there, and then memory settings for the driver's seat on the door card. All electric adjustment down on the driver's seat as well. Power folding door mirrors behind there. And then coming into the center of the car, I'll fire it into life now. So keyless start, so just foot on the brake and push the start button and it fires into life. Makes a great noise, these cars. And the seats themselves, as I touched on before, very adjustable. So you can adjust the side bolsters, you can adjust the bolster underneath your legs here, and also four-way lumbar support, which is a really nice feature. Steering column, again, very adjustable, forwards, backwards, up and down. And then we've got the beautiful carbon fibre multi-function steering wheel in these new M cars. So you've still got the three colour M stitching throughout the steering wheel, but we've now got these carbon fibre sort of fascias as standard fit on this wheel. It is a heated steering wheel on this button down here, which is a nice touch. And then we've got the multi-function controls on left and right hand side. Left hand side is our adaptive cruise control and our pilot assist. And on the right hand side is our multimedia controls, and also controls what we can see on the heads-up display and on the right hand side of our virtual cockpit. Big carbon fibre shift paddles, and then 2 configurable M buttons for quick sort of shortcuts to faster driving modes, and you can change all of the settings individually between those 2 buttons. Down on the indicator stalk, we've got the laser light function down there, so we can press that and turn those laser lights on, and it will individually block out cars coming towards you. And then we've got a heads-up display as well, which might be difficult for the camera to pick up, but it displays all sorts of things, including navigation, speed limits, and obviously your current speed that you're going. Coming across to the center screen, this is wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's also a touch screen, so you can just press on any of the buttons or control it via the wheel down in the center, but we've got BMW's own navigation in there. And then if I pop the car into reverse, you'll see on the left-hand side our reverse camera, and on the right-hand side we've got our 360 cameras, and you can press on these individual cameras to see the different views around the car. Full park assist, and it's also got BMW's reverse assistant, which is a very clever feature. For those of you who know what that does, whilst it's not something you would use every day, if you get yourself into a difficult parking spot and you've parked in forwards, the car knows exactly the path it came in, and it will reverse out up to a certain distance, which is very, very clever indeed. Heated seats for both the front passengers, dual zone climate control, and then under the centre cup holders here, we've also got a wireless phone charging pad, a USB port, all the carbon fibre dashboard trims as well, which are beautiful to look at, and the unique gear shifter for the M cars, and then loads and loads of shortcut buttons down the centre here. So all of our M mode set up, our switchable sports exhaust valves, you can activate the 3D cameras or the 360 cameras from down here as well, and then just lots of storage in the cubby holes, more USB-C ports in there, glove box, etc. And I'll just switch it off, jump outside, and summarise what a fabulous example this is. So as we mentioned at the beginning, the 2 key features on this car is the full body paint protection film, which just protects that factory finish. Even with 16,600 miles, you'll be hard pressed to find any marks on this car whatsoever. And also the free packages, it's a very, very high specification example in a fabulous colour. My name's Ben, I hope the video's helped, and thank you very much for watching.